Hello guys, it's Ethan. Today we're gonna play this game called Mafia Wall. So let's start the wall. Okay, let's start with the first level. And it's episode 1, First Blood. Okay, level hint. Take the precise shots with shotgun by aiming a little bit closer. Good luck, cowboy. Okay, this shotgun is good. Well done, cowboy. Now let's shoot the next one. How many bullets am I remaining with? I think I got infinite bullets. Nice. Let me kill the other one. Nice. Got him. Oh, we're getting more coins. I have 106 coins. I think this game doesn't show any blood, so it's kid friendly. Oh no, one is coming with a grenade or some TNT. Nice, I won! Victory! Now let's go back to home. Now let's level up this machine gun. Okay, now that's enough upgrades. Let's start war and let's go to level 2, chainsaw. Okay, I'ma give this game a like. Level hint. Kill the enemies around the chainsaw first to take reduced damage. Good luck, cowboy. Okay, let's shoot them. So the wave's beginning. Nice, we shot him as soon as we could. Now let's shoot the next one. Okay, this game's getting hard because thieves are now holding weapons. Nice, there's another hitman. Nice, we got him. Okay, how long is this wave? I really want to upgrade my gun now. I have like 46 coins. Okay, let's keep shooting this guy. Oh no, this guy is with the home improvement. Let's shoot him. Nice, we got him. Okay guys, if you hadn't noticed already, I got 51 subscribers. So guys, keep on subscribing for the turkey. Okay, I think that guy was about to throw the grenade. Now this level is getting way more hard. Okay, I think I need to unlock more people for precise shooting. Nice. This wave's almost over. So guys, like and subscribe. Okay, final boss. Let's make him die. Nice. We're winning this. We almost got him, guys. And we got him. Okay, let's see if there's still more people. Yes, they are. But it's not done yet. Nice. Now we got 168 coins. I don't know why the cowboy thieves all his coins. I'm liking this game so far. Does guns, does thieves, does thieves with weapons. Now let's get the guy with the crowbar again. Oh, there's another guy with the crowbar. Maybe that's his brother. Okay, this war is about to be over. Oh no, there are more. Okay, I think this guy is going to end me. And we won again. Now we got 489 coins. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.